Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, we're going to open up settings, and from here we're going to navigate down to system management, backup and reset at the bottom, and then select erase all data. It will give you a message that erase all data will remove everything that is listed right over here, so check out if anything that is listed right here is something that you might want to keep, for instance like photos, music, user data. If there is, make a backup copy. If there isn't, you can progress further by selecting clear data. If you have a screen lock, you'll need to confirm it right here, so there we go. We need to wait 4 seconds before we can select continue. There we go. And this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take about 1 to maybe 3 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed we'll be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.